This is Denton County Weather with the latest 2-minute forecast. Temperatures out there this morning. It's feeling like a nice morning out there. It is a bit humid though. Temperatures right now sitting in the mid to upper 50s back off to the north, some low to mid 60s to the south. It's going to shape out to be a pretty hot day as well, and we're going to see that over the next few days, and eventually we'll have a cold front by Wednesday, which will drop our temperatures. More on that in the 7-day forecast. You see by 12 o'clock, we'll see temperatures in the mid to upper 70s to the north, lower 80s here in the Metroplex, and eventually by 4 o'clock this afternoon, all of us should get into the low to mid 80s. Latest look on the future radar. So we will stay dry today, but we will have that chance for some strong to potentially severe storms going to late Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. You can see by the afternoon hours Tuesday we should stay dry, but eventually by about midnight and afterwards we might see some showers and storms, primarily for Wednesday. You can see the line of storms eventually will push toward the Metroplex. Damaging winds and some large hail will be possible. A tornado or two cannot be ruled out, but that threat should remain limited, especially since this will be after mostly 3 to 4 in the morning here in the Metroplex. A lot of us won't see storms, especially right along I-35W. Most of us will not see storms until at least 6 in the morning. So this will be a pretty early morning event more than anything, so you probably will be able to get some sleep. Here's the latest look as well at the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. So you can see right now DFW is included in a slight risk. At least the western portions of DFW is included in that slight risk for maybe some damaging winds, hail, and maybe a couple of tornadoes. That tornado threat should primarily, though, be out here further to the west of the Metroplex. So I would not be concerned about it, but just make sure you have a plan in place just in case. Otherwise, there's a marginal threat including Dallas and Collin County, and this is the latest look at the hurricane outlook. Nothing really in particular that I'm concerned about. There is an area of development that will eventually be marked in the Caribbean, and this could eventually go toward maybe the Gulf of Mexico sometime in the next 2 to 3 weeks. It's a very long-term outlook, but that is the potential in the next several weeks. Here's your latest 7-day forecast, and you can see again Tuesday will be our warmest day of the week. Temperatures in the mid to upper 80s across the region. Eventually by Wednesday, a cold front will come through, and you can see temperatures for the most part going to late this week. We will be seeing upper 60s and lower 70s, and also the low temperatures will be bottoming out in the low to mid 40s. So it will definitely feel like a very much fall sort of October into November. This forecast is brought to you by All Dents Repair.